Hello to each and every one of you. I want to thank you for your kind and supportive comments. Yesterday, I had the chance to read them thoroughly, and I couldn't skip a single one. Your words gave me so much energy, and reading them filled me with positivity. I truly appreciate it, and honestly, your comments motivate my team as well. They lift the fatigue off their shoulders. Today, I'm here with a video that I know can really make a difference for you. The solutions in this video can resolve all your sexual health concerns, whether you're dealing with low libido, premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, or your sperm motility is low. Each solution I share here can be incredibly beneficial. Why address all these issues in one video? Because through treating hundreds of cases over the years, I've found that these problems often stem from the same root causes. It's just about identifying those causes, and there are two main ones. The solutions I'm about to share are effective, but even more important than these remedies is your mindset. If you're dealing with these issues, take a moment to check in with yourself emotionally. Strengthening your mindset and improving your nutrition can often resolve the problem. Many people live in areas with poor nutrition and yet have no fertility or sexual health issues. Issues like erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, or low libido. On the other hand, some live in ideal conditions but still face challenges. This shows how crucial your mindset is. Sometimes, negative feelings towards our own bodies can be the root of the problem. When we reflect, we often find that past experiences or negative memories play a role. Addressing these emotional roots is essential. If needed, seek counseling to identify and tackle the underlying causes. Also, consider compassionate therapy as a complementary method. They've shown excellent results recently. In many of our videos, we've recommended these methods, and the positive feedback we've received speaks volumes about their effectiveness. By compassionate therapy, I mean connecting with your body. Thank your body for its efforts, acknowledge areas that are struggling, and express gratitude. When it comes to sexual health and genital organs, shame often prevents people from doing this, but overcoming that barrier is crucial. If you want real results, use these techniques. We need to appreciate and thank every part of our body that's involved. We should acknowledge that we may have neglected it or done things that led to the current issue. The first step is acceptance. The second step is to apologize. This can activate your body's natural healing process. Our bodies are equipped with repair systems that can heal and restore, but believing in this process is key. This belief alone is half the battle. The other half lies in the practical remedies I'm about to share. Here are 3 powerful natural remedies. Ginseng, black seed, black cumin. A while ago, I made a video about red ginseng, and the feedback was overwhelming. Many people experienced improvements, especially with libido and premature ejaculation. Red ginseng is incredibly effective, but I also recommend black seed and black cumin for those who may not have access to ginseng. However, now you can easily find ginseng in pharmacies. Red ginseng quickly alleviates this condition. Get some ginseng, grind it into a powder, and mix it with high-quality honey. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture. You can also purchase red ginseng capsules from the pharmacy and follow the instructions on the package for use. If you can't find red ginseng, soak black seed in apple cider vinegar for 7 hours, dry it, grind it into powder, and mix it with honey. Take a teaspoon of this in the morning and evening. Alternatively, you can grind black cumin, mix it with honey, and take a teaspoon of this in the morning. Why do I suggest mixing all of these with honey? Those who follow our videos know that honey acts as a powerful and incredible conductor, enhancing the effect of the remedy many times over. The great thing about these combinations is that they fulfill all your body's needs. Ginseng is not only an antidepressant, but also strengthens your mental state. Sometimes, people don't have any specific problems, but they might have a deficiency in certain vitamins or minerals. When they use these remedies, those deficiencies are replenished, their mood improves, and they feel more energetic. The combinations of ginseng, black seed, and black cumin specifically helps you address these issues at the root. I've watched many channels and videos on this topic, but often they lack real experience. Most of the time, they just search on Google and recommend things to people, which can lead to mistakes with these combinations. But since we've worked based on experience, Every person who has used these combinations over the years has contributed new insights. That's why I can confidently tell you that these are effective solutions. Alongside black seed, ginseng, and black cumin, you can choose any of them. One essential remedy is pomegranate. Whether it's fresh pomegranate, pomegranate juice, or pomegranate paste, it must be included. This balances the body and corrects underlying imbalances. Have 2 pomegranates or 3 tablespoons of pomegranate paste or a glass of pomegranate juice daily. If digestion is an issue and you have problems with cold temperament, start with small amounts and gradually increase. Also incorporate natural salt and honey into your diet. Vinegar is excellent. After meals, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural apple cider vinegar. For men who rarely experience low blood pressure, have a sanguine temperament, and a solid build, they can even use more, up to half a cup. Generally, I recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons. For women with low sexual energy, 1 teaspoon is enough. Vinegar balances the body, regulates gut flora, enhances the absorption of remedies, and improves blood flow, making it stronger and more effective. Good circulation is vital for sexual health. Weak blood flow can hinder nitric oxide production, a key factor in sexual performance. Walking daily for 20 to 40 minutes can greatly improve circulation. If you're underweight, even a 10-15-minute walk helps. Hydration is essential. Drink 3 cups of fruit nectars or seasonal juices daily. A glass of celery and apple juice, 3 times a week, can boost blood production and circulation and balance hormones. Have some chickpea broth. Eat a bowl of cooked chickpeas daily. They're rich in vitamins and minerals essential for sexual health such as vitamin E and A. Many people who follow these steps notice improvements within 1 to 2 weeks. The combinations I told you about and the tips I gave you are like hitting 100 targets with one shot. Chickpeas also strengthen hair and nourish the body. So, for issues like erectile dysfunction, low testosterone, weak libido, or premature ejaculation, follow each step I've shared here. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Our expert consultants will respond as soon as possible. Some of you have asked if I personally see your questions. While my team handles most inquiries, they're highly trained and consult with me regularly. Don't hesitate to ask, we're here to help. Every video I've made over the past couple of years has been created with love and dedication, and I want many people to have this information because it can help them live easier lives. Your messages have proven that long-standing issues were resolved with a few simple solutions. So, I ask you, with the same passion I create these videos for you, to share them with the same enthusiasm and energy. This way, more people will see the videos, have access to this knowledge, and it will help raise awareness. It can reduce our stress and gradually decrease our dependence on chemical medications. Take care of your health. Your feedback continues to inspire us to share more valuable content.